right, folks, so for our fun stop this morning, we'll be doing some good old-fashioned grating. But them don't give us a good old-fashioned grater. The old-fashioned grater don't have someone sitting on it where you can cut, slice, all kind of thing, no?
We're talking about?
No, the old-fashioned grater, them don't have that. Remember, may I tell?
So what is for?
Fit, I don't know. I soon tell you.
Oh.
Some of us are used to the powder and ready milk, but this is...
Oh, we're learning how to make actual.
Yeah.
I have a challenge.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna, you know, they serve this with corn at Hero Circle. But why eat this with corn?
Yeah, I used to eat it with sugar.
It's not bad, isn't it?
Sugar, I used to eat it with. Anyway, we're not going to eat it.
Okay, the challenge with hoxing out this coconut is.
Give me, I'll do it.
The knife.
I said, I will do it. I do not want you to hurt yourself. I will do it for you, honey. But it's hard to bite, though. But go it easy. And you have knife. All me ever do is just do that.
It's really a dinner knife. It's a really a dinner knife you're supposed to use to hox it up.
You don't worry about that.
All right, you hox, I agree.
Oh.
Nev, don't use this.
Don't worry about it.
No, use the spoon. Here. No, hello.
I'm telling you, man. Thank you.
Okay, maybe you should use the knife.
All right, so you want me to use the spoon.
But you know, hox this, you know. Cut this out. Take me somewhere wonderful.
What you doing?
I'm trying to hox off the skin that you leave on there. Anyway, we're going to improvise because through by that knife, please be careful. I am going to be careful.
I like how you're concerned about me, though.
Okay, what are we supposed to do after that?
Grate it.
Into the strainer? With which side?
But it is obvious, you know. It is quite obvious nobody know when we take out that something.
Take me somewhere wonderful. This coconut is very... But what's really happening over here? Nev, be careful with that knife.
I am being careful. Bulla Williams. That look like it could have worked.
Okay. The coconut is very nice.
Mine is sweet fingers, you know, my honey. You sure you don't want me to do that?
You think I'm decoration?
Actually, yeah.
Good answer.
You don't look so bad still. As a decorator.
We're catching there. We don't have nearly enough though to do what. By the way, okay. After we do this, what we're supposed to do really? Give me a piece of coconut there next to it. Unless you're gonna start grating. You're gonna start grating? Put it into my waiting area. I'm waiting area and that. The next strainer. Alright, this I get too small now. I got hurt my finger. Put
water on it. Oh, alright. I understand. We suffer great into. But Williams, I understand. They say that's great. But we have it.
You know that grating must be good for your muscles.
What is it?
You wait down in my coconut. That's for you. That's for you. No. What are you doing? Have you never used that? You've never used that?
No, the idea is to grate it. We don't care how we grate it.
Have you ever used a grater before? See now the...
That's my point, which is why I turn it the other way. To work it back out.
I miss a rockabye, baby. Let's try this one. Oh, it's a little bigger. After we grate it, Madam Producer.
Youngsters at home, make sure mommy or daddy with you. But that don't make no sense because it stopped grating, you know, you just a slide over.
Yeah, that's
which is why I did turn it the other way.
I told them, you see them newfangled, something here, those are fangled like one time.
That big part, the big part of that works, was it?
Usually when the strainer get full, we just hit it on it. I try and get it from the inside. All right. Okay, what we do after this? Here, we have to use what we have. Good. Put some water. You can have all of mine. Guys, that's what 5 minutes of grating has got now. Or we don't nearly have. Put the strainer over here. And then put some water in here and then we're gonna strain it over here. Mind it.
Where's the general soda?
Put some water on yours.
In here?
Yeah, but not a lot. Go on. Go on again. Go on again. Go on. Yeah, you never pay water bill? Alright. Huh?
Then what now?
No.
Then I got put that chain on.
And this is coconut milk?
Put the what?
Squeeze it, man. Squeeze it.
We can't squeeze it, soldier. There's nothing to squeeze.
Squeeze it with the back of the spoon.
There's nothing to squeeze, soldier man. There's not enough to squeeze.
Squeeze this thing.
May I squeeze it?
Yeah.
I feel like we're being roughed up. You feel like we're roughed up?
General Soldier said,
Squeeze the thing.
Make sure it's your thing and squeeze. Come now, man, strainer.
In the strainer.
Squeeze the thing, no?
Man, let me get the liquid out first. You have to get the liquid out first, then you squeeze.
That don't look like milk to me.
It's milk, but it's not enough to do anything. Look at all our hard work, Dale.
Where is the hard work?
Want to move the lower third, man? Let us move the lower third.
Let me.
The lower third was blocking. There you go. Yeah. If you guys had helped us by pre-grating some of the coconut, then we could have put the water in and literally we're supposed to squeeze it and then make some milk. But Chuba only wants us to do all the heavy lifting. Yuck! Something worse with that thing still. It's not to drink. It's not to drink. Nobody told you to drink it. You can't spit it out.
And you see the fact that I drink it, I think Sin will have to do the rest of the show by herself.
I dare you to put that to your head and drink all of it.
That's it for
taking the dare,
the
right?
coconut stuff.
This nicer than the milk.